Welcome to the coolest tutorial of Python. This is Bitfumes and I'm your host Sarthak. In this episode, we are going to learn about if, ElIf or else. So what is this? Actually, these are the control statements. So suppose you want to skip some of the code while you are having any program. So how you can skip that thing? Like if you have a print of hello, then you have another print of hi, and then you have a print of Sarthak, and I just want to skip this if I have some condition. So like condition is this, that if the name is equal to Sarthak, then I don't want to say hi, just hello is enough, and then print Sarthak. So how these things are going to work? So let's just delete these things and I will start the if statement. And in Python the indentation is very important. So if I start if statement from here, then here comes your statement or the condition you want to check. So for that I will just create a num or number variable which is having a value of 5. Okay, and no semicolon. So here I just want to check if num is greater than 2, then I want to execute something. So here I just need to give a colon, and then I can say print number is greater than 2, and let's run it. And yes, you can see number is greater than 2, but if I make this num as 1, you can see we don't have anything in our console. This means this print statement is actually skipped. So it's better to have anything or execution part in a new line, and that new line has to be indented. So if I run this, you can see this statement, this print statement is skipped, but if I not give any indentation and run it, it firstly give error because you don't have anything for if statement. But if I do something like print ABC, run it, you can see this statement, this print is actually executed, but not this one. This means in Python indentation is super important. So this is good, but what if the number is not greater than, just like the condition, it's not greater than, then I just want to print that number is not greater than 2. So I just want to say else part. That means if this condition is not true, then what we are going to do? Then print number is less than 2. Run it, and you can see it says invalid syntax because after else we need to give this colon and then number is less than 2. So again, if I make it 5, run it, number is greater than 2. So this is actually a condition check statements. So if else. But suppose I have another system where I just want to check whether number is negative or positive. So again, I will say if number is greater than 0, then we will print that number is positive. Then we need to say else print number is negative. Okay, so I just comment these blocks and run this. So you can see the number 6 is actually a positive integer, which is giving number is positive. But if I give -6, it will say number is negative. But what if I give 0 and this time it says number is negative? But because 0 is neither positive nor negative, we need to give another statement. So ElIf, so it will like ElIf new condition number is less than 0, then we will say number is negative. So run it, And you can see this time there is no statement printed because this number 0 is not a negative, it's not a positive, but it's a number 0. So else part print, and inside print number is 0. So run it, and yes, number is 0. So you can just check another condition if that these positive or negative number is even or odd. So this statement, this if number mod 2 is 0, even or odd, we can actually put this inside if statement. So it's like nested if statement, if else statement inside if else statement. So this is very nice. And now you can see we have given two kind of statement, but this print and this print are indented. This one is more indented, 2 times indented, and this is 1 time. This means the print statement which is here is actually a part of this statement, this if statement, and this print is a part of this if statement. So run it, and because number is 0, let's make it 5. So first thing is that number is positive, and second is that number is actually odd number. So number is odd and number is positive. So this is the way you can check if statement using if, ElIf and else. So it's like else if, and they have given it short name ElIf. So this is good. And if you have any doubt, feel free to message me like Bitfumes on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit bell icon to get instant notification. We will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.